We have also discussed one more option under round feature, and that was to stop the round feature at a certain location using the reference option. So that is again possible in the chamfer command. So for that, first let me create a chamfer at this edge. So I have this chamfer with some distance which can be varied. Now imagine I don't want the complete line to be chamfered. I want it to be up to a certain distance, or at a certain particular reference point I want to stop the chamfer. So for that I need to create a point first, and in order to do that I can just go to the right hand side. I will be having a datum features over here. I can click on the drop down list and I can select the point command. Selecting the point command will turn off the chamfer feature and activate the location of the datum points. So we can select a particular edge and we have the point on the screen at the edge. We can change the location of the point by clicking over here. Say for example I want it to be 0.5. So this is in the terms of ratio. So whatever is the total length, say imagine it is 1 unit, 0.5 will be half of it. And if I want it to be at the quarter distance, so I have to change it to 0.25. The alternate way is to change the ratio to real. So you will be having the real dimensions. Presently it is 31.90. I can change it to 65 or maybe 80 units. So depending on the need, we can just change it and we can stop the point at a certain location. So in this case, let me just drop it at 0.30 ratio wise and press OK. Now let us go back to the chamfer by clicking on this play button. So we are back into the chamfer mode. Now we have to select the transition mode and we can select on the corner and hold right click, stop at reference, select the point. So you can see the reason I have selected over here is to have a chamfer in this region. Now let me just undo. And now let me select at this particular side, right click, stop at reference, select the point. Now I'm having the chamfer on the other side of the point. So this is a very powerful tool, and this was also present in the round command. Let us move on and discuss some other features.